I'm so excited to show you how to make your own Facebook avatar. And there's nothing more fun than showing yourself online in cartoon form. And so I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on my phone to show you how to make your own Facebook avatar. Facebook keeps rolling out a lot of updates. It's that time of year, including how to add a mood to your story, and I have a tutorial on it, and I'll include the link to that. If you want to get more details on Facebook updates that are rolling out, check out the description. You can sign up to get emails from me that have all the details. Now we're gonna open up Facebook and I'm gonna do a tutorial on my phone how you can make your own avatar too. But before I do, welcome to my channel, the Parisi Pack. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Stephanie Parisi and I am the leader of the Parisi Pack. It is my private coaching community on Facebook. I love helping busy moms grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that actually work. If you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to get notified when new videos are released. Now let's dive into this. All right, so I'm opening up Facebook and I'm on my profile and I'm gonna scroll down and get to a post so I can go to the comments, pop open the comments, and then you're gonna see here that I'm clicking the little smiley face to the right of the GIF button. So that's normally where stickers are. But if you go to the clock, then the arrow, and then the furthest over to the right is where the avatar will be located. And I've already made mine. So it's loading up my avatar. Here's mine that I just created. But if you haven't made it, let's show you. So you can go through and it has so many different options. So starting with skin tone and then your hairstyle, you can scroll through. I have relatively short hair. My roots are pretty grown out right now because of everything going on, but I'm gonna pick the color that I like because it's your avatar. And then I am going to go to the next button, which is face shape. And if you're not sure of the shape of your face, in the mirror. And then complexion, you can pick if you have freckles. If you don't, I don't really have any. Moving on, lines. If you're older, you can add in some lines to make it a little bit more realistic. Eye shape, if you don't know, again, look in the mirror. It'll help. And you can then select it and then choose the eye color. Mine are very hazel green, so that's what I went with. And then if you wear makeup or not, I usually wear eyeliner and mascara almost every day. So that's pretty normal for me. So that's what I'm choosing. And then eyebrows, again, shape and the color. Do you wear glasses? You can add in glasses. And then the shape of your nose, so pick that out. And then we're gonna move on to the lips and the mouth. And you can pick if you have really luscious thick lips or thin lips, whichever one, select. And then do you wear lipstick? So even if it's more goth, like here's a black option, it's kind of fun. You can throw that in there. I usually don't, so I'm gonna keep mine simple. If you're a guy and you have facial hair, you can totally add in a beard. They have a lot of different options, so that's kind of cool. And then body shape. So with this one, again, it's your avatar, so you can pick what you want. You do not have to show all your layers if you don't want to. I went with one that is pretty typical of me. I'm relatively thin. And then outfit, again, showing your personality and style. I am like a sweatshirts and sweats kind of gal, so I went with that. But however you dress, like pick it and roll with it. It's so much fun showing your personality. And do you wear a hat? Like I wear hats all the time. If you follow my channel, you'll know that. So here I'm picking one and I'm picking the color of the hat that I wear most frequently. My husband actually picked it out for me, so he didn't do too shabby. Now it's loading up. It's gonna be ready to use here in a moment. Exciting. And then it's showing you hit that little smiley face button to use it in the comments, and you can use it in the comments anywhere on Facebook. And there's my avatar. So now let's go. I'm just scrolling back on Facebook. Now I'm gonna use the avatar in comments. So I'm pulling up a friend of mine who I know is just gonna make a post about the avatars. So I'm gonna comment in her post, love it, and then I'm gonna hit that smiley face button and pull up an avatar sticker that goes right with it. Mine aren't all gonna load here that quick, so I'm just gonna roll with one. I'm grabbing that sending hugs avatar sticker, and there we go. There you have it, already in use and having fun. Maybe you're like, Steph, I don't have the avatar option in the smiley face when I click on it. The good news is there's one other way. As you see people using the avatar, you're gonna see here underneath other people's avatar, this blue button that says create your avatar. And if you click that button, then you'll also be able to make your avatar that way. And you can go through the steps just like I showed you. When you've finished making your avatar, let me know. Pretty cool. And that's all I got. Let's start using it to express your own unique self online. Are you looking to grow your influence and your profits online? Then grab your spot in the Parisi Pack, my private coaching community. You can find the Parisi Pack on Facebook.